Today we're going to make a flag banner with individual flags, all made from fabric scraps. Okay, I have my triangle template here, 8 inches across the top, and it is 10 inches down the side. You can make your template however big or small you want, or whatever shape you want to do. And you can see I have all these scrap material here, and I'm just taking the longer ones first, and I'm going to put it like that, cover up the template, and I just take my pieces and go along like this so I can visualize what it's going to look like. We're just going to sew these pieces like this. They're all going to be different. We're just using up scraps. So I'm putting the like sides together, and we're just putting them down here, and we're just going to sew, I don't know if that's like 1/4 of an inch or whatever. We're just going to sew right down the side here. Okay, so I open it up, and that's what it looks like. Now we're going to sew the next piece right over here. Okay. I was a little short on this, so I'm going to add one more piece. So this is what I just sewed. I had to add an extra piece over here because it wasn't long enough when you add in all the seam allowances. So, and this was my template. So I'm just going to put the template on just like that. And I can see that it is all included. So I'm just going to cut around the template. This is what it looks like after I cut it out. As you can see, I sewed my patches in a lot of different ways. So probably no two are sewn the same. I'm just using up my scraps. So we're going to put the two triangles together. We're going to put the good sides together, and we're going to sew all the way around, except we're going to leave this part open right here. You can leave this open on the top or on the side. It doesn't matter to you. And we're going to continue to sew around here, and we're going to stop right here. We're going to leave a little gap because this is where we're going to slide our string through. So this is going to be remained open, and this is going to be remained open right here, and then the rest is all sewn. So after sewing it, I turned it right back to the right side out, and I put a little skewer through the hole so you can see how it's going to hang. So you're going to do this with all your triangles. So this is one side, and that's the other side, so you can see it from both sides. After I turned it inside out, I did a top stitch along the outside, closing the hole that you left to turn it inside out or right side out, and also leaving this hole here so you could put the string or rod through. And this is what they look like hanging up. Hang them up when it's time to celebrate.